Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hakini ki khendiat singi baladep national spokesperson jong All India Trinamool Congress usaket Gokhale ulatarwa biang bandan ka jingyatai Halor ka bamsap hapo ka sarkar MDA bat khodru yo sumbot menteri rangba banwan nakaliang jong sumbot menteri rangba ka jilla uba Prestone tensong haba jubab ya ka jingkli Halor ka jingkop ya tai jong saket Gokhale Halor ka jingkno bamsap ulo ong ba Kwah ban ong shibon Halor ka ni Henry ka jingkren jong u kane. Ula penrap ru da ka baong ban le ayu ban Pynlut por bat ubreu ubum dan ai ban le. Bat ngimtip ru hadu katno un shimkhia ha ka bayadei bat ka jela Meghalaya. Baro kitip udai na ai Henry Ukren kumba udai ubreu ubana ka jela Meghalaya.
See, me also my statement stands. So why should I say anything to do? And we really don't know also how much he loves, how much he cares about Meghalaya. I think you all know also. He's from which place, and then he's talking as if he's part and parcel of the Meghalaya. But he's not at all. And that's what I'm telling you, I never seen a so-called national spokesperson. When you made any allegation, you need to also bring in the documentary proof. Otherwise, just for the sake of saying that MDA government is a thief, I think I will not at all spend time with this fellow. I don't have time. We are governed by the rules, the executive rules of the government, be it in Meghalaya or be it any other states within India. We are doing that. We are being guided. We are being governed by the executive rules. So therefore, again, as I said to you, back to square one, his allegation is baseless.